Good day everyone, my name is Rex Magdaluyo from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering 1A.
Try the quotient rule. Our problem is y is equals x squared over x plus 1, and our f of x is equals to x squared, and our g of x is equals to x plus 1. And then let's find the derivative of f of x and the derivative of g of x. The derivative of f of x is equals 2x, and the derivative of g prime x is equals 1. And then we need to apply the quotient rule. The formula of quotient rule is f of x over g of x equals f prime g minus f g prime over g squared. And then let's apply. Y prime is equals to 2x, and x plus 1 minus the value of f is, our f is equals to x, f of x is x squared, and our derivative of g is 1 over our g squared is x plus 1. Y prime is equals to 2x squared plus 2x minus x squared over x plus 1 squared. Ang mangyayari ay y prime is equals to x squared